And that is our operation lamp, as you can see here.
Yes, this is our operating lamp. For our operating lamp, this model has the LCD control panel here. This is the LCD control panel, which have a very clear view, and it can adjust the intensity and color temperature very sensitively.
At any time, right? Yes. Yeah, and to make a safe and accurate operation, the light bulb here, the light bulb we use is very important, okay? Because it will affect the surgeon's vision during the operation.
And so for these LED bulbs, we adopted the Osram bulbs. The reason why we chose Osram is because Osram also is the leader in the lamps industry. It is founded in 1919, which is a very famous brand, and so its quality is really is more guaranteed. And these LED bulbs can be used for more than 50,000 hours. So after you receive our operating lamps, you don't need to replace them frequently. It can definitely save your cost and time.
Yes, and about the light bulbs, we also have the polygon light bulbs type, which is much cost efficient for some of our clients. So if you want to know the differences and some more models, kindly ask us. We will be at your service anytime. Yes. And now, let's take a look at the structure. This is the Ondo balance arm. It is made of the sturdy material, and it can be rotated at a fixed point at any time, okay, during the operation.
Yes, it's really convenient for doctors during the surgery.
Yes.
And there are 5 levels color temperature can be adjusted. And the color temperature is a detail that we need to pay attention to during the surgery. So we can adjust it, the 5-level color temperature through this LCD control panel. It is very applicability. Now let me turn on the lights to show the color temperature level for our friends.
Hello.
Now is can you see see the shadow on the ground? Now it is the lowest color temperature and the intensity. Now let me adjust the color temperature from the first level to the highest level. See? And now I can adjust the intensity here. Fiona, can you feel the difference?
Yes, it's brighter.
That's right. And the operation is really convenient. We just need to have the LCD control panel here.
Convenient. I can see the light is changing, but it looks like the daylight. I like it.
Yes, it is very suitable for our doctors during the surgery.
Definitely.
Okay, let me turn off the lamp.
And I believe that many surgeons must have some bad experience during the operation, like the reflections and flashes from the bed cloth, the gauze, or the instruments, which will make their eyes feel uncomfortable, right? And our operation lamp can ensure a color temperature high enough, which is close to the daylight, just like what I feel just now, okay? And your eyes will feel better during the long operation and will not have the eye fatigue.
That's right, this is really important for our doctors during the surgery. And what's more, for our operating lamp, it also has a built-in peak capacity battery, just like the operating table we introduced before. So in case there is the power failure during the operation, it also can supply the light for the surgery.
That's a nice one, Janice. Also, let's pay attention to the movable wheels here, okay? It can satisfy the demand for using in different surgeries or operation rooms, okay? And it has brake. All of the 4 wheels have the brake, so it's very safe. And here is take a look at this movable sterilizer handle, okay, which is convenient for disinfection tickles, okay? And then do the sterilization because the doctor will need to handle it to change the neck during the operation.